What is aquaponics coming up in this series? Aquaponics refer to any system that combines conventional agriculture and hydroponics in a symbiotic environment. Benefits of aquaponics: it's natural, organic, uses 90% less water than traditional farming. You will get mercury-free, healthy fish, no soil pests, no watering, no weeding, and promotes self-sufficiency. How does aquaponics work? You feed the fish a rich protein source, and then it passes waste in the fish tank, which is ammonia, and this ammonia will be pumped through series of filter which change it from ammonia to nitrites and then nitrates. And you know that nitrate is something that plants love, so the plants will use this nitrate as a food source and then help the plants to grow. And in exchange for that, it cleans the water for the fish so they can live a happy life. The two type of filter that is needed in an aquaponics system: the biological filter and the mechanical filter. The purpose of the biological filter: the mechanical filter is used to remove solid waste from the fish tank, such as fish food that is uneaten, fish waste such as poop, and any other things like leaves and so on. And depending on the material that you use inside of the mechanical filter, it can also be used as a biological filter if it has a large surface area. For example, if you use lava rocks or pebbles, stuff like that, it can also be used as a biological filter. The purpose of the biological filter: the purpose of a biological filter and an aquaponic system is to remove ammonia from the water, turn it into nitrites and then to nitrates, which then the plants take up as a nutrient source. Besides from the fish tank, you can see that the biological filter is the heart of the system. The reason for that is it has the microbes that break down the solids, waste material, then turns it into something beneficial for the plants, and it also cleans the water so the fish has fresh water to swim in and live happy.